Hello and welcome students. Myself Shilpa Nirmal from Oxford English High School, and today I will be explaining you these bits. First we will go through even and odd numbers, second bit is addition, and third bit is subtraction. Let us move towards our first bit, that is even and odd numbers. What are even numbers, children? Even numbers are the numbers which are the multiples of 2 or which are in the table of 2 are called as even numbers. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Or the numbers ending with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are known as even numbers. Is this number an even number? Yes, 304 is even number because it is ending with the digit 4. Is 78 an even number? Yes, it is an even number because it is ending with the digit 8. Now, what are odd numbers, children? The numbers which are not the multiple of 2 or which are not in the table of 2 are called as odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Or the numbers which are ending with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are known as odd numbers. Is this number an odd number? Yes, 487 is an odd number because it is ending with the digit 7. Is this number an odd number? Yes, 261 is an odd number because it is ending with the digit 1. Let us move towards the second bit, that is addition. What is addition, children? Addition means combining or joining two or more numbers. Let us see the example. In this example, children, the first number is 3-digit number and the second number is 2-digit number. Now which number is bigger? The first number is bigger, so take 3 places. Hundreds, tens, ones. Now put the digits under the places. 8 will come in 1's place, 7 will come in 10's place and 2 will come in 100's place. Similarly, put the digits of second number under the places. Nothing is there in the 100's place, so 0 is there. So add the numbers now. 8 plus 1, the answer is 9. 7 plus 2, the answer is 9. 2 plus 0, the answer is 2. So the answer is 299. Let us see the third bit, that is subtraction. What is subtraction, children? Subtraction is an arithmetic operation which represents the removing the object from the collection. Let us see the example. In this example, both the numbers are 4-digit number. So, we will take 4 places. Thousands, hundred, tens, ones. Now, put the digits under the places. Here we have put the digits under the places. Now subtract. Now can you minus 5 from 1? No, because 5 is bigger number and 1 is smaller number. So borrow 1 from the neighboring digit. If we borrow 1 from the neighboring digit, here 1 will be left and the borrowing 1 will be taken over here. So Now can you subtract? Yes. 5 can be easily subtracted from 11. The answer will be 6. Now can you minus 2 from 1? No, because 2 is bigger number and 1 is smaller number. So again borrow from the neighboring digit, that is 7. If we borrow 1 from 7, 6 will remain and the number will become 11. Now, can you subtract 2 from 11? Yes, it can be easily subtracted. So the answer will be 9. Now can you subtract 3 from 6? Yes, because 6 is bigger number and 3 can be easily subtracted from 6. So the answer will be 3. Can you subtract 1 from 4? Yes, we can easily subtract 1 from 4 and the answer will be 3. So, you understood, children? Yes. Hope you all understood the video. Thank you.